Now, your first alert storm team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Ross Whitley.
Well, out there today certainly has been up and down, and if you've been in Apalachicola, you got all the way up to 70 degrees. Other locations had the cold front go through a little bit earlier, sat in the 60s, and then we've had the wind come in. Our temperatures quickly are now slowly falling down into the 50s across the area. That should continue. You can see where the rain has actually fallen back off to our west, and even Houston coming in at 51, but a warm up to our south and east. And how about that Arctic air plunging its way into the country? Chicago, a big heat wave at 12 in comparison to Minneapolis coming in at 9, and Bismarck also coming in at 9. And this is with the sun still shining in those locations. You know that as we go into the overnight hours, they'll be below zero in many of those locations. Thankfully, that Arctic air headed toward the northeast, not for us. We will have Arctic air head toward us, but it won't be until the end of next week. So we are going to hold on to the warmer air for at least a little while. 56 our temperature in Panama City, as well as Blountstown, 55 in Mariana, 67 in Apalachicola. And as I said, that was the warmest across the area today, getting all the way up to 70. We only got up to 62 here in Panama City. The wind now out of the north, 15 miles an hour in Panama City. Also out of the west in Apalachicola, so the cold front hadn't completely cleared Appalachia area, which is why it's still warm. Destin coming in with the wind out of the north at 15 miles an hour. How about our radar? And yeah, there's plenty of rain out there just off to our west. Most of this action is actually going to slide just off to our north, but we will have scattered shower activity through the night tonight going into tomorrow. So this moisture actually moving toward the Carolinas and Virginia, where you see winter storm watches being posted. Notice the winter weather advisories, places across Michigan thanks to lake effect. And all of this you see up here, that's an unusual color. Might not recognize it. That's wind chill advisories and wind chill warnings. Anytime the wind chill is about minus 15 or below, you get advisories. When it's minus 20 or below, you get wind chill warnings. So a whole lot of fun across the upper Midwest. For us, Viper Live radar showing that shower activity, and again, majority of the consistent rain staying to the north of I-10. That should continue to slide through, but we'll see spotty shower activity move across the area as we go through the rest of tonight. Just that moisture sliding across that colder air that is running across the surface. We refer to that as isentropic lift because there is just enough energy with colder air sliding underneath warmer air that's rising with the change in motion here out of the south or out of the north at the surface and out of the south and west aloft. So you have that lifting motion, and that's what we refer to as isentropic lift. So you get mist, drizzle, shower activity. Rain develops along a warm front as we get into the morning hours tomorrow. Then better chances at showers as we go through the afternoon. Best chance of rain seeing another front come through tomorrow evening. And temperatures corresponding. It will be about 57 tomorrow, 62 on Sunday, then holding in the mid to upper 60s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then we start to see some cold air leach its way in for Thursday and Friday. And if you don't like that, then you probably don't want to hear what Saturday of next week's forecast could be. Much colder than that. But at least for now, the next 7-day forecast showing temperatures right about average. Yeah, exactly. Right about average. And Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are actually going to be fairly warm with the temperatures in the mid 60s. But unfortunately, also going to be dealing with shower activity Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly even Friday of next week.
Wow. All right. We'll be ready for it. Thank you, Ross.